Ever thought about creating your own character? Discover how to turn that idea into a living icon that leaps off the page. This fast-paced guide shows designers how to choose silhouettes, color palettes, and gear that signal power and purpose. It covers personality traits from brave strategist to mischievous trickster and explains how flaws spark fresh plot twists. Audiences see the character placed in vibrant worlds, whether a dragon-filled fantasy realm, a neon cyber city, or a cozy indie comic. Ask which traits viewers would add and invite them to subscribe for more bite-sized character crafting videos.